Hello, my name is Ike Ekwueme. Something unexpected happened to me 2 weeks ago, and I felt an urge to create this video. After a nice dinner on Friday, I had a slight toothache, but I didn't pay much attention to it on Saturday. On Sunday, I woke up and my face looked like this. At this point, I was in severe pain. I was not able to chew anything. At my college, a variety of food is served at the cafeteria, but I was in so much pain that I couldn't chew anything. For 3 days, I was watching other people munch on rice, chicken, vegetables, and other delicious food, while I was on the swallow diet, porridge, soup, and yogurt. Not being able to enjoy the luxury of chewing for 3 days made me to reflect and be grateful to God for the ability to chew. There are many things we take for granted, but we shouldn't. For example, eating, swallowing, digestion. We sleep, we wake up. We should be grateful to God. Some people may take sleep for granted. After all, they are sleeping pills. But I've heard of a sleeping pill, but I've not heard of a waking up pill. To sleep and to wake up is a blessing. We should be grateful to God.
If we pause to think for a second, we all have testimonies to share. God has done and God continues to do great things in our lives. Don't wait until you suffer from a sickness and you recover before you remember to start thanking God. Don't wait until you lose something and you find it to start thanking God. Let us get into the habit of thanking God regularly. We all have testimonies to share in our jobs, in our businesses, career, school, families. God has done great things in our lives in all these different areas, and we ought to be grateful. I'd like to encourage us to share our testimonies. So I created a Twitter account at Timely Testify. Testify means to share your testimonies. Timely means on time. So if you put both of them together, it simply means share your testimonies on time. And there's no such thing as a small testimony. Whether you're thanking God for deliverance from a car crash, or you're thanking God for saving you from a paper cut, each testimony carries equal weight in God's eyes. I strongly believe in the power of testimonies. Testimonies show us what is attainable. Your testimony can help somebody pass their test. Your triumph could help somebody through their trials. Your state of pleasure could help someone see beyond their current state of pressure. You can be a blessing to someone today. And so follow us at Timely Testify and share your testimonies at Timely Testify. Simply tweet your testimony and add Timely Testify to the tweet. God bless you. Have a great day.